A mythical creature of power and might, the thunderbird has intrigued minds for centuries. Native to North American indigenous folklore, this majestic bird is believed to control the elements, particularly thunder, lightning, and rain. Imagine a bird so large its wings create thunderclaps, its eyes flash lightning, and its flight brings rain. Quite the spectacle, isn't it? Some tribes regard the thunderbird as a benevolent protector, warding off evil spirits. Others view it as a powerful force to be feared and respected. The thunderbird's symbolism varies, embodying strength, truth, and nobility, or representing transformation and freedom. Despite its diverse interpretations, one thing remains constant: the awe-inspiring presence of the thunderbird in cultural mythology. What should we discuss next? Comment below and don't forget to follow.